Dear student, today we will do exercise, okay? About words like will, would, can, could, shall, should, okay? So, fill in the blanks using will, shall, would or should. First, children dash obey their parents. Here, children should. Because of should is used to give advice, okay? So, children should obey their parents. Next one, dash you like some tea or juice? So, I told you na, would is used to show something that was in the future at a point in the past, and it is also used to show politeness, okay? So, would is past form of verb will, okay? So here, would you like some tea or juice? Question, asking question politely, okay? Would you like some tea or juice? Come to the next one. I dash return the library books tomorrow. I told you we use shall with I or we to talk about something that is going to happen in future. So here is I shall. Okay, I shall return the library books tomorrow. Ravi dash not join us for the picnic on Sunday. So Ravi will not join us for the picnic on Sunday. Will here right here will, because of will is used to talk about things that are going to happen in future, you know. So Ravi will not join us for the picnic on Sunday. Come to the next one. I dash wake up at 5 o'clock when we lived in Assam. So I would wake up at 5 o'clock when we lived in Assam. I told you na, would is used to show something that was in the future at a point in the past. When we lived, point in the past. So here we use I would with I. I would wake up at 5 o'clock when we lived in Assam. Yes, exercise C2, fill in the blanks using can or could. Okay, so everybody knows about where we use can and could. Can and could to say that we are able to do something, and could is describe an ability that someone had in the past. Okay, could is the past form of can. So ability that someone had in the past, it is also used to seek permission politely. So I dash write with both my hands. So here show ability na, so I can write here can, I can write with both my hands. Dash you please get me a glass of water. So could you please get me a glass of water? Because of I told could to describe an ability that someone had in the past. It is also used to seek permission politely, hai na? Permission politely, na? So here our question is, could you please get me a glass of water? Polite permission, hai na? Politely permission. So here, right here, could.